Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make butter masala. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need fresh tomatoes, onions, ginger, and garlic for the base. Also, prepare whole spices like green cardamom, cloves, and a cinnamon stick. Don't forget the richness providers: fresh cream, unsalted butter, and a handful of cashews. Finally, select your main protein, whether it's succulent chicken pieces or soft paneer cubes. Next, let's create the heart of our dish, the rich gravy. Start by sautéing your onions, ginger, and garlic in a pan with a touch of oil until they are beautifully golden. Then, add the tomatoes and cook them down until they become soft and pulpy. Stir in the whole spices and cashews, cooking for a few minutes. Finally, blend this mixture into a perfectly smooth, velvety paste. Now it's time to bring everything together. Melt a generous amount of unsalted butter in a large pan over medium heat. Carefully add the smooth gravy paste and let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Stir in your powdered spices, such as red chili, turmeric, and garam masala. Finally, add your chicken or paneer and cook until it is tender and fully infused with the masala. For the grand finale, let's perfect the taste and texture. Stir in a good amount of fresh cream to add richness and a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. Garnish your magnificent butter masala generously with freshly chopped cilantro leaves for a burst of color and aroma. Serve this delightful dish piping hot with warm naan bread, fluffy rice, or soft roti. Enjoy your homemade, restaurant-quality butter masala.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.